Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. This is a clothing subscription box or styling service, however you would like to word that. You go on, you fill out a profile, you get assigned a stylist, they send you clothes. There'll be a playlist down below with all of the details if you are not aware how Stitch Fix works. I do currently have a link down below to where you get $50 toward your first fix, and then I get $50 toward my next fix. So it's kind of like a win-win. That'll be linked down below if you would like to use that. There are a couple of giveaways that are going on right now. I have my 1500 subscriber giveaway where there are 7 winners. And then I also have the Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson Conspiracy and Controversy palette that I am giving away. 2 winners. That's also linked down below, and there's other information down there if you are interested. So opening up Stitch Fix, you do get a return shipping bag. So whatever you don't keep, you just throw in the bag and throw back in the post office. Send it back, whatever. You also get an envelope with a style card. It just shows you the different ways that you can style your outfits. I'll take a picture, put it up in the corner somewhere. Same with the note that I have. And then you also get your invoice. With Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 items that are sent to you, you do get a 25% discount. It looks like my total order is $312. But I will not be keeping all of these because I did peek and I don't know if I'm going to like it. But I'll throw that up in the corner too. So you pull out your burrito. Now, what I asked my stylist for this time was date night dresses, but then I also asked for sweaters for winter, but I was very specific in the style of sweaters that I wanted. I did want loose baggy sweaters, or off one shoulder or 2 shoulders, and I did peek. I'm not entirely sure I'm going to like these things, but you never know until you try them on, so let's get into it. So first we have the Kendari Faux Suede jacket by Pixley in black and a size small for $88. We also have the Free People Barkley Jogger Pant, dark pink and a size small for $88. And we also have Mix by 41 Hawthorne, the Karina Brushed Dolman Knit Top for $38. This jacket is really soft, it is really cute, but it's just a little too small for me. I don't really care for super fitted jackets like this. I do tend to wear my jackets a little large. It is cute. It does have the zip top and the cute little zip details. And there are actually pockets in the jacket. The jogger pants, they're okay. I thought I'd give them a try. They are comfortable, but I really don't like them on me. And the top is really soft, but I'm not a super fan of 3/4 sleeves, so I think that all of these are going to go back. Next we have the Ralph Lauren dress, Nadia velvet in dark green in a size 4 for $124. I think this dress is pretty. I do love velvet and I do like the dark green color, but it's just a little too restricting for me. I don't like things restricting my arms. And I tend to have an issue because I do have thicker arms and broader shoulders, that if a dress doesn't really have a lot of give in it, then it's not going to fit me properly. And this is just a little too tight for me. So this will be a no. Next we have the 41 Hawthorne Tristan Essential Knit Faux Wrap Dress in gray for $78 in a small petite. Now, this is 100% my style. I do like the ruching on the side. I do love the detail. I do love the, I don't know, I'm assuming it's leopard print So this is 100% my style. It does tie in the back, and it comes above the knee, which is something that I like. So this dress will go in the maybe pile. Okay, so that was Stitch Fix. It was just an okay box for me. There are a lot of things that I didn't like about the box this time around, but this dress will go in the maybe pile. If I do end up deciding to keep it, I will throw a picture up in the corner just to signify that I decided to keep it, and I won't get any discount or anything like that. The dress is $78, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.